Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Elaine Rau and I do product reviews. Today I'll be reviewing this Halloween costume. Ooh, it comes with like a few different parts. First we have the front, which is actually ribbed. You can feel the corset inside. There is a zipper down the front. You can see the boning and the ribbing inside. It's not like a ton, but there's definitely structure and there's definitely slight boning. In the back, the detailing, and it's also scrunched. And then at the end, we have a little ruffle with the front. It goes all the way down past the waist, all the way up to the bust. Second piece, oh, what is this? Looks like a, oh, I thought it was like one of those like olden like diapers or something. But yeah, this is like the top shirt part. Ooh, and it comes with a cool little drawstring. So if you wanted to make this part a little bit more scrunched, you could, and then just tie it down here, or just leave it as is. Next part of the costume is the apron. Comes with a really long, oh, and multicolored sash. So you can make a really cute bow in the back. And then finally, it comes with another little ribbon thing, but let me go ahead and try it on so you can see what it looks like. All right, so super duper cute. You can see that there's some structure. The boning is inside. I put the apron on. Without the apron, it would just look like that. This inner piece is super duper cute, and actually you can just wear this, you know, not in a costume, I would say. Here's what the back looks like with a bow. It hits to about your knee with a little ruffle peeking just past the apron part. Once again, you don't need to wear the apron part per se, and that's just what it'll look like. But in general, just a really cute, simple Halloween outfit that really doesn't require a lot of work. If you would like to purchase this Halloween costume, check out the link below. They also have all different sorts of colors and styles that are similar but different. So check it out in the description. Like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you think about this Halloween costume. Would you wear it? Would you not? Why? What do you like about it? What don't you? Let me know. And if you would like to continue watching, I have more product reviews and unboxings and openings. So check it out, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, happy Halloween. Bye.